Yeah.
You want to try tequila or mezcal?
No thanks. Maybe later. Free tasting.
Yeah, that's how you gonna get me.
Oh, got her ass.
Where are you from?
Seattle, Washington. Oh, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Michoacan. You know Michoacan?
Michoacan?
Yeah, Michoacan.
Where's that at?
It's in the center of Mexico. It's the same Afghanistan. Everything there.
Oh.
Yes.
So you happy you here?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
What do you like more, guys? Tequila or mezcal?
Mezcal.
That's a big.
This one reposa. Espadín. This is clear. Or Pechua.
Oh, with the worms. Daría uno, por favor.
Yeah, claro que sí.
You already got this girl.
Oh, you already got
Gracias.
Okay, yeah, let me get a video. That's so cool.
In Mexico, guys,
Ay!
es arriba,
Arriba,
abajo,
abajo,
al centro
al centro.
y para adentro.
Okay.
Yeah, do you like?
Bien.
It's like a little bite
Gotcha.
to it.
Yeah.
Nobody makes a fool out of me. I'm from Detroit. Yeah. Introduce them to everybody else and go over to somebody else's house. Took it a little bite to it.
The best mezcal for me, I have this one. No, this one. This one for me is better.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay,
It's
gotcha.
more flavor and the smoky and the really mezcal.
Oh.
This is more flavor scorpion. This is different flavor. Yeah. It's tequila de mango.
Tequila mango.
I don't like the way it looks like gasoline.
No. I promise.
Ooh,
It's really sweet.
it's sweet.
Super sweet.
Got your bye-bye? What you get? Go on with it, real quick. All that for you? Say,